Ndewo, welcome to another edition of Igbo Ndioma. Today, we will look at words that begins or contain each Igbo alphabet to help us with pronunciation. Ngwanu, let's start. Kaibido. In our previous class, we have already read Abidi Igbo, that's the Igbo alphabet, beginning from A to Z. And as I told you guys that in our next edition, which is this, that will be taking the alphabet, the letters, one after the other, and we'll be listing words that begins with each letter or that contains each letter. So sit back and let's do that. The first letter is A. A. A is for aka, which means hand. Akwụkwọ, book. Anụ, meat. Aha, name. And the next letter is B. B is for biko, which means please. Bia, which means come. Buru, which means carry. Banye, which means enter. Next is letter Ch. Ch stands for Chukwu, which means God. Cheta, which means remember. Chere, which means wait. Wait. And the next letter is letter D. D stands for Dalo, which means thank you. D, which is husband. Dibia, which is doctor. The next letter is letter E. E. E is for Efere, which means plate. Ekele, greetings. Eze, tooth. Ego, money. And the next letter is letter F, which stands for Fepo. Fepo, fly. For remaining. Fanye, put. And the next letter is letter G. Then G. G. Goziem, bless me. Ga, go. Gi, you. Gosi, show, as in show me. Show me. B. B. B for ba, which means play. Play. Buru buru, which means like roundabout. So ba, play. Buru buru, roundabout. Then the next is as in awo, awo. As in Rarawa, apologies. Rarawa, apologies. Go, go, go for Guam, which means tell me. Go, guo, which means dig. Agwo, which is snake. And the next is ha, ha, as in ha, Hichaa, which means wipe. Ha, they. Hapụ, which means leave. Họpụta, which means select. Iko, cup. Ite, pot. Ire, tongue. Ise, number 5. Igbo, that is the language we are learning. And the next is E as in Eba, which is drum. Chaka, which is another Igbo instrument. Sha is crayfish. Then J for G, which is yam. Jide, hold. Je, go. Jụọ, which is ask. Then the next is K. Kedu, how are you? Kachifo, good night. Kuzie, teach, which is what I'm doing. Kele, which means greet. Then the next is Ba for Kpakpando, which means star. Ba for Bo, which means call. Uchie, which means cover. Then the next is Kwe, as in Kwo, which means to pay. Kwo, pay. Kwo, which means say. Kwapo, which means move away, like relocate. Kwapo, or move out. Kwapo. Then the next is Leta, which means to care. Then Lie, which means bury. La, which means go. Le, which means look. The next is as in Mma, which is knife. For mmiri, water. Mmanya, drink. Mo, that's me. Then the next is as in ngaji, which is spoon. No, which is welcome. Nnukwu, which is big. The next is nge, as in ngo, it means to drink. Nge for ngara, which is warm. Words for warm is ngara. Then the next is nwe for nwa, which is baby. Nwa, baby. Nwanne, which is siblings. Nwanyị, which is a female. The next is nye, as in nyem, that's give me. Nyem, give me. Nye for nya, that's drive. Nyo, which means peep. The next is O as in oroma, which is orange. O for osisi. Osisi is stick. Osikapa is rice. The next is O as in ono, which is mouth. Also, which is run. Ogo, which is a kind of farming tool. Ogo. Oha, it's a leaf, vegetable in Igbo. Then Oria, which is illness or sickness. Oria. Then the next is P as in pota, which means come out. Pota, come out. Po for puku. Puku is 1,000. Puku is 1,000. Pisa, it means to paste something. Pisa. The next is run, as in rie, that means eat. For racha, that's leak. Re, meaning sell. Raw, it means to walk. The next is as in sacha, it means to wash. Sacha, it means to wash. For sorrow, it means to follow. Se, it means to snap. Maybe like to snap pictures, se, photo. Then sie means to cook. For sie. The next is sh, as in isha. Isha is crayfish. Sh for asha. Asha is a kind of bird, parrot. The next is ta, as in ta. Ta, it means today. Ta. Ta for tinye, it means put. Tinye. Ta for ta, which means chew. The next is u. For ube, oyibo, that's avocado. So ube generally is pear, but as you are aware, we have a lot of pears. So ube oyibo is specifically avocado. For ude, ude is cream. Udu is a kind of Igbo musical instrument. Unyi is charcoal or coal. Then we have O for okwo, that's leg. Olo, house. Omo, children. Ototo, morning. The next is v for mvo, that's comb. And the next is w for wunye, which means pour. Wunye, pour. Were, take. Wepo, take out or remove. The next is ear. Ear for ya, which means his or her. Ya nke ya, his or her. Ye, which means fry. Yo, which means sieve. The next is z. Z for zacha, which means sweep. Zota, which means buy. Zo, which means hide. Zo, which means train or bring up. Zo omo, which means to train a child. This is where we end this edition of Igbo Ndioma. Please give us thumbs up if you like our videos, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos in Igbo language. Until next time, Ndewo.